bodyweight hinge. This is a very important movement that unfortunately not a whole lot of people are taught about or aware of. So, our bodyweight hinge looks like this. Now, that may look relatively simple, but it's much more complicated than it looks. We want to make sure that our butt's coming straight back, not down. We're not squatting. So, what we're doing this for, when we bring our hips back, we're keeping our shins about 90 degrees of the ground, sticking our butt out without arching our back, keeping that neutral pelvis. What we're doing is we're taking load and placing it onto the hamstrings and glutes primarily to take it away from our lower back and protect our lower back when heavy lifting, such as deadlift. So hip hinge, again, in standing, what we do, we get our feet set and get grounded, big toe, pinky toe, heel all in contact with the ground. We're going to keep our knees soft. We don't want them locked out. Knees are soft. We stick our butt straight back. We bring our butt forward, squeeze our butt to come out of our hinge. So we stick our butt out, squeeze our butt forward. Okay? Two things you can do to practice this. You may have trouble with it. We can hinge and stick our butt against the rack. You may want to take a step in front of the rack and then just stick your butt out until you touch the rack. Then you know, come forward. If you feel a pull in your hamstrings, it's a good sign. Come forward. What we don't want with our hinge is we don't want to hinge and keep going lower and lower and lower until we round our lower back. We want to make sure we stop keeping our spine neutral. Another drill you can use, take your kettlebell, hold it behind your back, shoulders back, and then try to hinge. Try to touch the bell with your butt. Our bodyweight hinge, one of our most important movement patterns. Make sure we get this one down pat.